Hello everyone, I am the Incident Commander of CO6A, Gwen Alfonso. So firstly, ano nga ba yung mga naging preparation ko during the MCI? So first, ang naging edge ko talaga kasi yung yung pagtanong sa mga seniors kung ano yung mangyayari sa MCI. Kasi kung during the planning pa lang, dapat meron ka ng alam about it. Mahirap kasi pag on that day mo pa lang siya aalamin. And may mga senior din kasi na busy during that day. So, pwedeng matagal sila mag-reply sa'yo. Buti na lang may mga seniors na nag-reply sa akin. And also, preparation ko din yung sa part na, yung pag-learn sa mga principles kapag merong mass casualty event sa isang lugar or bagay-bagay. Second, ano nga ba yung mga naging challenges ko? So, yung challenges dito kasi yung pag-handle sa mga members. Kasi syempre, kahit sabihin mo ikaw yung na-elect nila, hindi lahat ng members mo sang-ayon sa'yo or sumusunod sa'yo. So, may mga time na sobrang kulit nila. Pero of course, we had to, parang kausapin sila about it. Kasi kung hindi natin sila kakausapin, walang mangyayari sa ganap. So, meron din kami mga misunderstandings during our preparation, mga planning namin. But we had to voice it out sa lahat kasi kung, ayun nga, pag di namin sinabi, ano na mangyayari sa team namin. So, ang naging edge ko rin dito is yung mga heads ko. Kasi lahat naman sila willing to learn. So, kapag may pinato ako sa kanila, sasagot naman sila. Tapos kapag may mga suggestions sila or mga comments na gusto pang improve, tinitake consider din namin yun. So, maganda rin yung naging progress ng group namin. And now, I'm confidently na mamaya during our simulation, maayos namin ma-execute lahat ng mga nangyari. So, expectation ko is lahat ng members ko later on, magagawa nila ng tama yung mga roles and responsibilities nila to every patient na nandun sa loob ng room. And also, alam ko naman na magagawa nila yun kasi during our last practice, nakita ko naman yung naging progress nila from the start to the end. Kaya confident ako na magagawa nila ng maayos yung simulation namin.
Ready po?
Ready. Easy lang, bro.
Ready po?
Ready.
Right foot first. Ready? Walk. Right. Left.
Right.
Left.
Hi, I'm Nikki from the treatment. I'm the head. We have prepared para mag-splitting, bandaging, as well as CPR. Nagkaroon lang kami a little bit of trouble sa splitting kasi it's kind of complicated. Pero kahit nagkaroon ng complication, we still push through and mastered what we practiced. My expectation sa MCI is maging smooth siya from start to finish and maging coordinated.
For the challenges na na-encounter, there are a lot nung start kasi syempre scheduling ng mga members, mahirap maghanap ng time for practices kasi syempre may mga other academics pa na hinahabol, mga quizzes, mga paperworks. As other than that, yung procurement, yung paghahanap ng mga venue, doon kami masarap nahirapan. Specifically, me and all of the heads. Then from that, wala naman masasabi sa members. Nagkaroon lang ng sigurong mishaps sa start. Pero at some point, na-resolve naman natin yun. Kasi everyone knew that they had to lock in, that we needed to start getting serious. And I'm really proud of them that they started doing that. How we encountered it, mostly talaga through talks, trying to calm down specifically. Kasi parang hindi tayo nagkaka-progress pa, madaming nasasabi, madaming nagagawa. So really had to talk to them properly, had to calm down myself para of course ma-resolve yung issues, magawa ng paraan yung mga kailangan gawan ng paraan. Ano pa ba yun? That's lastly, expectation ko for this MCR. I feel like I won't say that it's gonna be easy, but I feel like the group will do well for this MCI. I've seen their progress, I've seen their practices, and I feel like with them around, I feel like it will be easy.
Hello, ako si Trisha, triad head po natin ng Section 3068. So, mga naging challenges namin, normally naging, lang naman, confusion about sa magiging rules sa flow namin, kung kailan ba kami papasok, ganito, ganyan. Then, over time naman, nasolve naman siya during preparation, during practice, and nasolve naman din sa agad. Then, expectations sa MCI, may ace natin to. Yun
Hello everyone! I am the head of security department. So, yung preparation namin is medyo chill lang siya at first kasi we're more on making materials or props namin for simulation, and hinihelp din namin yung other departments na mag-make ng materials nila since mas marami silang gagamitin for our simulation. And nag-come up din kami ng ideas namin kung ano yung mga possible na may encounter namin na problems during simulation, like yung sa mga manggugulo, mga bystanders, paano namin sila mamamanage ng tama, like parang kami yung magiging peace and order, and i-make sure namin yung security ng lahat during simulation. And as per challenges, siguro yung challenges lang namin is medyo na-pressure kami if may manggugulo pa talaga or meron yung mga magnanakaw ng gamit. Pero, yun, sabi naman, wala naman na daw magnanakaw ng gamit. More on, like, sumisigaw na lang daw. So, hindi na kami ganun kinakabahan or pressure like before na nararamdaman namin. And sa expectation naman is, feel ko naman sa haba ng practices namin, almost everyday kami nagkikita, is magiging maganda naman yung outcome ng simulation namin. Kasi alam namin, sarili namin na like, really put our best and yung efforts namin sa lahat ng ginagawa namin. Thank you.
Hi, ako yung head of the transport department, and ang naging preparations namin for this MCI is master namin yung transferring techniques like 1-man carry, 2-man carry, 3-man carry, and yung hammock. So, mas more on polishing na lang kami ng transferring techniques since fresh pa lang naman yung utak namin na nag-review for RETEM and transferring. And ang mga naging challenges naman namin is dalawa sa amin sa may team members may health problems. And yung naging solution namin is hindi namin pinabayaan yung dalawang members na yun na mag-isa na magbubuhat. So, laging nasa team yung dalawang yun. And then, for my expectation for this MCI simulation, na magiging smooth lang yung flow namin and ayun, trabaho lang. At saka, focus kami sa goal namin na wala kaming mahuhulog na patient. Ayun lang. Thank you.
Hello guys, I am the head of the docu department. So, for our preparation, lang kami, more on nag-gather kami ng mga camera na kailangan. And then, yun lang, saka wala naman kami na-encounter na problems since mabait naman yung member ko. And then, so, ang expectation ko for this MCI is magiging maganda yung magagawa namin video and magiging documentation namin sa mga patients. Yun lang.
Hello, ako si Sir Hona, ang logistics head. So, ang challenges na na-encounter ko this MCI is siguro sa logistics department is yung
pagkuha namin ng materials at the very cheapest price. Pero na-solve namin siya by costing our budget and pag-ayon ng budget namin sa student-friendly na budget. So, ang expectation ko for this MCI is lahat ng gamit na ginawa namin lodges is mapupunta into good use and magagamit siya ng tama ng ating buong
Noted po. Ano po yung mga pasyente po natin, yung mga number of casualties po? Meron po ba? Announcement ko, lagi nyo antayin yung announcement ko bago kayo pumasok. Don't forget to remember yung floor plan natin na hot zone sa left. Left. Entry point natin dito, walang exit point sa hot zone. Ang exit natin sa dulo sa cold zone. Remember that, walang lalabas sa hot zone. Clear ba tayo doon? Ready? Are you ready na? Ready. On the part, presentation today. And for the experience, at first, sobrang nakakakaba siya. Kasi ang daming tao, na-overwhelm kami ng mga crowded. So, dapat focus lang kami sa goal. But, pagkapasok namin sa loob, sobrang saya kasi like enjoy the experience kasi kapag nagawa mo na to, like magagawa mo na din siya sa ibang casualty. Kaya nga as a nursing student pa lang, sinasanay na tayo na puro practice, simulation para masanay tayo na kapag nilarga tayo doon, alam na natin yung gagawin natin. And also nakita ko na lahat naman ng mga members ko, lahat ng department ko, nagawa nila na maayos yung mga dapat gawin. Also, may mga nagawa sila na, ay hindi ko alam na kaya pala nilang gawin yun. So, I was so proud sa mga members ko. So, keep it up guys.